Discuss one problem from triangles of class 10th. So I request all the people subscribe my video and like my videos. Now coming to the question, in an equal triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD equal to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square equal to 7 into AB square. So in an equilateral triangle ABC, so consider one triangle, name it as ABC, which is equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Let it be AB, BC, CA is equal to some x units. So AB equal to x, BC equal to x, and CA equal to also x. D is a point on side BC. D is a point on side BC. So I'm taking a point D on BC and join AD such that BD equal to 1/3 of BC. This BD length is equal to 1/3 times of the side of the BC. So here draw one perpendicular from the vertex A to the BC. At this intersecting point is E. Means here AE perpendicular to BC, where right angle at E. In an equilateral triangle, whenever we draw a perpendicular which is a median, so we can say E is a midpoint of BC. So whenever E is a midpoint of BC, then the length of EC is equal to x by 2. The length of BE is also x by 2. Now in this triangle ABC, we have some right angle triangles. I'm going to consider triangle AEB triangle and one more right angle triangle AED triangle. Now solution. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle So let it be AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to some x units, and also given D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 into BC. So BD is equal to 1/3 into BC means BC is equal to x. So BD equal to x by 3. This is the value of BD. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. So we get BE is equal to EC, which is equal to BE is equal to EC. But these two sides are half of the length of BC. So BE is equal to half of the length of BC. So we can write BC by 2. That is equal to x by 2. So BE is equal to EC equal to x by 2. Now I'm going to consider triangle AEB triangle. So in triangle AEB, a right angle at E is equal to, so we can apply hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. AE square plus BE square. So AB square nothing but x square, because AB equal to x. So AE square plus BE is equal to half of the x, nothing but x by 2 whole square. So AE square is equal to, from this AE square is equal to x square minus x by 2 whole square, nothing but x square by 4. So on taking LCM, you will get 4 is LCM. Then 4x square minus x square, nothing but 3x square. So AE square equal to 3x square by 4. Now from this AE is equal to root 3 into x by 2. because square signing, well, square becomes square root, then you will get root 3 into x by 2. This is the value of AE. Now we have to consider triangle AED. In triangle AED, right angle at E. So as per the Pythagoras theorem statement, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Now I am going to consider triangle AED. So in this triangle AED, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. So AD square is equal to AE square, already we have AE value, that is root 3 into x by 2 whole square, plus DE. DE is nothing but BE minus BD. BE minus BD whole square. Now we can substitute the values of BE and BD here. That is equal to root 3 by 2 x whole square, nothing but 3 by 4 into x square, plus BE nothing but x by 2 minus BD. BD is equal to x by 3 whole square. So 3 by 4 into x square, plus here internally you can take the LCM here. 6 is the LCM. Then you will get 3x minus 2x whole square. So 3x square by 4 plus 3x minus 2x, that is x by 6 whole square, nothing but x square by 36. X square by 36. Again you can go ahead for LCM of 4 and 36. 4 and 36 LCM is 36. So that is equal to 36 is the LCM. Now 4 9 are 36. 9 into 3 27 into x square plus x square. So AD square is equal to 28x square by 36. Now go ahead with cancellation. 4 table. 4 7 are 70, 4 7 are 28 and 4 9 are 36. Now on taking cross multiplication, 9 into AD square equal to 7x square. But what is meant by x here? X is the length of AB or length of BC or length of CA. So here I am taking x is equal to nothing but AB, that is equal to 7 into AB square. So 9 AD square is equal to 7 into AB square. It's a very important problem.